Hello, what's up everybody? My name is Kamakalo Ella Rakolanyani and welcome to my channel.
She got the brains and the body of a goddess, ooh. Don't need nobody cause she's all that she needs. She is queen royalty, she is love and beauty. She makes
Now I'm chilling with my friend Sveta. She's gonna come and show herself right now. But we are going grocery shopping because we are about to bake. Hi Sveta! What are we gonna do? What are we baking today?
Oh, we are baking a very traditional Russian cake, which is called Rijik.
Rijik.
Yeah, you made it.
Rijik. We're making Rijik right now. So we're gonna buy a few of the ingredients that we're gonna need and we're gonna show you guys how to make Rijik.
See you in a while.
Over until my will runs dry. Send all over me, baby, right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby.
It's a beautiful sunny day in St. Petersburg today. And after like a 5-minute walk, we're here. We're here. Perekrestok. Kids are playing.
This is Chak Chak.
Oh, Chak Chak.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. And well, this one is a pretty pomadka. It's also very nice and very Russian.
Very Russian.
Yeah, from Samara.
Wow. Tell the people what we need to buy
Right now we need to buy only sour cream. Very fast sour
Smetana.
cream. Okay. Smetana. Smetana и мука.
Imuha.
Muka. Like a normal.
This whole time I've been calling flour muha. Apparently it's not muha, it's muka. Damn. So apparently they put butter in like these cases, as you can see, because people steal butter in Russia.
Because of the economic situation. Hello.
Imagine, guys, that is so hectic. Wow.
I don't have enough money to buy butter.
Then she takes out the butter from the case. You can do self-checkout, so you basically just use those, pay, and leave. We are done shopping. Now we are going back home and we will be baking. So we are back home. У меня есть YouTube channel.
Понятно.
Вы хотите
Поздороваться.
поздороваться с людьми? Хорошо. So these are the ingredients that we will be using. We have oil, we have flour, pepper. We have pepper for some reason. We have what is this? Honey, right? We have eggs. We have what is this? Salt. We have sour cream. We have sugar. We have what is this? Soda. Soda.
It's like baking soda.
Oh, baking soda, and we have vinegar. Is this vinegar?
Yeah, concentrated.
Got it. So yes. And this is Sveta's family recipe book that she'll be using that we'll be using to make the cake. How long have you had this book, Sveta?
I don't even know. It's like my great-grandmother, probably, or even older. So at least 50 years, I guess.
Wow.
At least 50 years.
This is amazing. This is truly amazing. They have like page 1, page 2 and stuff. And then, yeah, it's amazing.
Okay. I feel like it's fine.
Okay.
I hope so.
We're just measuring the size that we want. So, yeah.
Fit in the box.
Yes. Where's the box? The box is over there.
And for now, we need to mix honey, sugar, and what else? And baking soda, I guess. Yeah, honey, sugar, and baking soda, and heat it up for everything to melt. And add baking soda to puff the mixture. Yeah, you will see the puff. The puff is perfect.
There's a puff.
There is a puff.
Okay,
right there.
got it. This honey is actually very thick.
Yeah, like in Russia we call it засахаренный мед. Tablespoons of honey and 1 cup of sugar. The thing is, in Russian recipes we use 1 cup as a measurement, and normally you can Google like how much sugar do we have in 1 cup, but I know that 1 cup of sugar is 180 grams or something, so approximately 180 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of honey. But also you can go less in sugar, like 150, 130, just for the thing not to be that sweet, and add more honey for the honey taste.
Okay.
The honey cake.
Okay, yeah. So less sugar, more honey.
Yeah.
Got it.
Like that. Yeah, it's gonna be tricky because the honey is thick and sticky. Here you have to be patient for your sugar and honey mixture not to get burnt and everything. And so just watch it.
Okay, so I'm assuming you have to cook that on low heat because...
Like medium heat.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
This low heat is for very patient people.
Okay.
And also here we're gonna add some pepper. There was no pepper in the recipe, but I like to add pepper to the honey because in my head it makes sense.
Okay. Whoa. This is one fancy... Whoa. What in the fancy just happened?
You didn't expect
Well, I did not. What was that? Whoa, okay, that is too fancy for me. I did not expect that, but okay. Mix.
And also we don't need it to boil. We need it to like melt.
So as you can see, the honey has now started to melt a little bit. This is exactly what we're looking for, right? Is that the texture we're looking for? Almost?
But we need all the sugar to dissolve. And you see like the small crystals are still there. And we need kind of like liquid caramel texture.
Got it.
So at this point, we are getting ready to add baking soda, but not right now because the sugar is not dissolved yet. But around a half of the teaspoon, I guess. Na glass, as we say in Russian. As much as you want, as much as you feel.
Okay. They have a fancy...
Really?
You guys are too fancy for me. Like, they have a fancy whisker.
It's literally the whisker we have in every single apartment, like house in
Is
Russia.
this in Russia?
Yeah.
This is fancy. This is fancy. I'm gonna whisk the eggs.
The thing is, the eggs are cold. So for a better whisk, we need the eggs to be cold. And also added half of a pinch of salt to it, just
To the mixture.
yeah.
Okay.
For it to mix, to be whisked better.
Alrighty. Okay. Connected the whisking thing to the fancy machine. So now I'm gonna break the egg. You press this button. Whoa.
Yeah.
How do you do this?
No.
Oh, this one.
No, this one. We hold it like that, and
Oh, okay. Got it.
but maybe the lower one because.
Because I'm inexperienced. Okay. Because the sugar has officially dissolved.
And
Now we're gonna add our baking powder, I guess. Soda. I don't know.
yeah, like whatever you call it. The recipe says add some oil. Now in Russia, every like masla, сливочное масло, olive and butter are called the same, and it's really hard to differentiate between them. And my recipe says add
Masla.
oil, just masla.
Duh.
So I'm used to adding like a butter to that mixture. I
Okay.
don't know how much, but just that.
Okay.
And it's gonna be dissolved because the mixture is hot. Yeah. And you need to whisk like hard and fast because you don't want scramble again.
Yeah.
And then we are ready to add flour, but the thing is, my recipe doesn't say how much flour do we need here. Na glass.
Okay.
Wouldn't like this
Net loss.
expression.
What is it? Net loss? No.
Na glass.
Not glass. As
Glass is
in
like I.
Okay.
Na glass like
Na
as
glass.
much as you feel.
Not glass. And we're gonna use the not glass method because
This na glass approach is what we use in
Yeah.
Russia when we're cooking.
exactly.
Something unprofessional language. Yeah.
It's still very sticky, so we need flour. And then you just go in. The kneading process begins. As you can see, it's sticking to the paper, which is not what we want, but we're almost there. Sveta.
Yeah, we're making it.
This is what we wanted actually. As you can see, it's not as sticky. It's kind of like madombi. Like literally, you need to try madombi. By the way, Sveta.
I will. I hope.
This. So yeah, this is what we wanted. So I separated the dough into 8 because our cake is gonna have 8 layers. So now we're gonna cover the dough up with a clear plastic wrap so that it doesn't get dried up.
Now we need to roll it, but the thing is, the shape is not supposed to be round. But
It's more of a rectangle.
yeah, rectangle,
Yeah.
28
By 17.
Rolling. We need to roll it thin because this is the essence of the cake. It's supposed to be multi-layered, but very thin. The best shape we have achieved so far.
Oops.
Not rectangle, but fish. But as you know, первый блин всегда комом.
Whatever she said, yeah. And then put that in the oven. What's the temperature in the oven right now?
Temperature 180 Celsius.
Okay, it's 180 degrees Celsius for how many minutes?
Na glass.
На глаз. Хорошо.
Second attempt.
Look at my hand.
We will try, but I don't know.
Just got out of the oven.
Done. Perfect.
Look at it. It has like pimples.
That's why we topped it with the form.
Uh-huh. Ooh, nice.
And the second one.
7
is
more
better.
to go.
Like, it sat there for 6 minutes.
6 minutes. Okay, so put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes.
Yeah, and the oven should be preheated.
Preheat the oven like how many minutes before? 10?
I don't like 10,
Yeah.
maybe 7. Depends on the oven actually. 350.
350 grams of sour cream.
As fat as possible. This is like 30%, which is perfect. Out, and then sugar na glass.
Okay, sugar на глаз. Сахара на глаз.
Да, сахара на глаз. И на вкус. No, на глаз, but по вкусу.
По вкусу, да.
Like up to your taste.
Вы как вообще? Вы уже давно же так гуляете, я так понимаю. This is the professionalism.
We did it. I can officially say that I have made Russian.
You have made.
What is it called?
Don't you remember?
I literally forgot. No. Greek? Greek.
Rijik.
So we're officially done. We just made Rijik.
Yeah, we got this.
We just made Rijik. It's absolutely amazing. Her aunt said krasotka. So,
Which means beautiful.
she said that she loves it. And we are happy with how it came out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Did you know your blood is so funny to me?